There's blue jays right up there in that tree making a bunch of noise. I hear red-winged blackbirds down there. There were some robins. Hi, buddy. Hi. Yeah, it poured rain last night. That's like the third day in a row that it's been raining. The snow is rapidly melting and the birds are all coming back. They apparently think it's spring now. And there's geese there. And there's more back over there down in the valley. Oh, there you can hear them. Yeah, today is February 24. This is short number 55. Come up here. There's geese. There's more geese down here. Showing back up. They haven't been gone for very long. Anyways, today is Monday. I hope you guys all have a wonderful Monday. I have a very full day of things to get started on. But yeah, cheers to another week, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow.